We're unboxing today what may be one of the best collectibles of the 2020 Comic-Con. From Jurassic Park, it's a can of Barbasol shaving cream, but instead of hiding stolen embryos, it hides a tiny figure of the villain Dennis Nedry, along with a few Easter eggs. Let's open it up to check out all the design details that Mattel put into this. All right, we start with a very nondescript box. No clues here. But right out of the box is the can of shaving cream. Although a little bit bigger than what I would think would be from the movie, but it's very recognizable. And right at the start, it just looks like a normal can, except there's a little window, and inside we find Dennis Nedry. Let's see if we can open it up.
You didn't say the magic word.
Okay, clearly I got that wrong. Did not expect that. So when you turn it, okay, so this is like a little secret window that when you turn, it just has the regular, text to the back of the shaving cream can. Thick and rich shaving cream. Directions: unscrew the bottom of the can. 2, fill the interior compartments with dinosaur embryos. 3, deliver to the e-stock. He didn't really do step 3 well, did he? Shaving tips. For best results, drive carefully, avoid crashing your vehicle, and keep glasses on your face. I would add to that, don't get sprayed in the face with a Dilophosaurus, and don't get venom in your eyes. That would be another thing. How do I open you?
You didn't say the magic word.
No. There's got to be a way.
You didn't say the magic word.
Okay, you can just pop it out like I did, I guess. Mattel puts so much detail into the packaging for this that the packaging is really the whole reason any fan would want to collect this. I mean, it's not just a figure you're getting this whole entire shaving can experience. Okay, there he is. Oh look, he's got a nice little beach scene here. Right out of like a little Costa Rica background. Maybe he just got finished having his lunch. Let me pop this out. Nice little protector. I want to keep all this nice. There's a lot of, normally when you're opening something, you're like, but because it's part of his stand, I want to make sure everything is nice here. Oh, look. There he is with his glasses and his little watch. Oh, there it is. There's a stand here. Just put him right there. Here you got your bag of money. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without another absolutely itty-bitty can of Barbasol. I'll just have you hold that right there. Fits in right nicely. Okay. And yes, it even comes with a piece of pie. The thing about Dennis Nedry is that here you have a computer programmer. His talent's underappreciated in his time. And the only villain I know evil enough to just ruin a perfectly good pie. Right off the bat, I like how this looks like a movie prop. That's really fun. It's one of the most recognizable things. It's funny, this villain doesn't have a lot of screen time, but any Jurassic Park fan, just falls in love with the whole concept here. All right, Dennis, back you go.
You didn't say the magic word.
How many collectibles can you say could legitimately...
You didn't say the magic word.
Okay, I get it. Oh, there was a little bit of some instructions. It says, Dennis Nedry instructions. Okay, so it's powered by 3 AAA batteries. Batteries included are for demonstration purposes only. So you turn the can to reveal the figure for lights and sounds, and you press the top when the figure is revealed for more lights and sounds. Wait, there's more? Wait.
You didn't say the magic word. I'm totally unappreciated in my time.
So there are some hidden sounds if you can turn it just right. So once you have him displayed, press the nozzle.
No wonder you're extinct. Dodson, we've got Dodson here.
Nedry, we got Nedry here. See? Nobody cares. Okay, so yes, there was no in-person San Diego Comic-Con this year, but there was still an online celebration of sorts, and companies launched collectibles. Toy maker Mattel did something different this year. It launched a site called Mattel Creations, selling pop culture collectibles direct to fans. This year, you had to go on Mattel Creations Instagram to even know how to find the link to buy it, and this Dennis Nedry sold out within just a few minutes. I mean, he was about $20. Now, a bit more on eBay. Now, with this Nedry can, Mattel sent over to me a box that was a mother load of geekery, all their Comic-Con exclusive offerings, and what struck me is the detail that they're putting into all of the packages for them. There's a Star Wars Dagobah X-Wing. You might as well just keep in the box because it has this lever to give it a cool lift out of the swamp background. And there's a tiny Hot Wheels that has the smallest little Hulk and Rocket sitting in the back. It's a scene from the latest Avengers movie, Endgame, where they're traveling to go see Thor. And there's a Pizza Planet alien dressed as a Pizza Planet delivery driver that comes in a Pizza Planet pizza box. And there's also Halo figures that have quite an involved light up display box. So I wanted to show you this because it reveals to me a cool direction for toys. You have these collectibles, but there's no waste here when every bit of the packaging is something that you want to display. Now, personally, I think Mattel should make more of these. I mean, this is a hard to find item that sells out so quickly, it's just not fair.
You didn't say the magic word.
Yeah. We get it, Dennis. We get it.
See, nobody cares.
Hello, nice boy, nice dinosaur. You're not so bad. What do you want? You want some food? Nah, get out of here. I don't have any food.
Don't get cheap on me, Dodson.
My name's not Dodson.
No wonder you're extinct.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Clever girl. Thank you. You're welcome.